Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation. Let's dive in.
If you've been dreaming of a cleaner home without lifting a finger, this one's for you. Today we're checking out the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, a high-tech, self-emptying powerhouse that's built to take the hassle out of daily cleaning. That if you want to check it out yourself, the link's down below. Right off the bat, the Shark AV2501S looks sleek and modern with its dark gray finish. It's compact enough to glide under furniture, yet bold enough to handle tough messes on any surface. The real magic, though, is in its design, combining advanced sensors, a self-emptying base, and powerful suction for effortless deep cleaning throughout your home. Let's start with what really matters: suction power. This robot packs Shark's signature suction strength, capable of picking up everything from fine dust to stubborn pet hair. Whether it's hardwood, tile, or carpet, it adjusts automatically to deliver consistent, powerful cleaning results. The self-cleaning brush roll is a lifesaver too. It prevents hair wrap, so you don't have to spend time detangling it yourself. Now here's something special: Shark's Matrix Clean Navigation. Instead of random cleaning patterns, this robot moves in a precise grid, taking multiple passes over every area. That means no spots missed, no random wandering, just full, deep coverage across your entire home. It's like having a professional cleaning routine built right into your robot vacuum. And when it's done cleaning, it empties itself. The bagless, self-emptying base can hold up to 30 days of dirt and debris, so you can forget about daily bin emptying. It also includes a true HEPA filtration system that captures 99.97% of dust and allergens, down to 0.3 microns, making it perfect for allergy sufferers and pet owners. Cleaner floors and cleaner air, all without extra effort. One of the smartest features here is the 360-degree LiDAR vision system. This advanced sensor maps your home with pinpoint accuracy, letting the vacuum clean methodically and avoid obstacles. Even in low light, it recognizes furniture, detects changes, and adapts its path to ensure nothing is missed, whether it's day or night. The Shark AV2501S knows exactly where it's going. If you have pets, you're going to love this vacuum. Its powerful suction and self-cleaning brush roll handle pet hair and dander with ease, while the HEPA filter locks and allergens in more sneezing fits or fur tumbleweeds. Just cleaner floors and fresher air every day. Of course, this wouldn't be a smart robot without smart control. You can manage everything straight from the Shark Clean app, set schedules, choose rooms to clean, or start a quick cleanup before guests arrive. And if you prefer voice commands, it works perfectly with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Just say the word, and your robot gets to work. The Shark AV2501S delivers up to 120 minutes of runtime, covering large areas on a single charge if the battery runs low mid-clean. No worries. It automatically returns to its base, recharges, and then resumes exactly where it left off. That means no skipped spots and no unfinished jobs. Just seamless cleaning from start to finish. Everything about this vacuum is designed for convenience. From the bagless self-emptying system to the durable filters and smart sensors, it's practically maintenance-free. Just set it up once, schedule your cleanings, and let it handle the rest. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. The Shark AV2501S AI Ultra is perfect for busy families, pet owners, and anyone who wants spotless floors with zero effort. It's built to handle everyday messes, pet hair, and deep cleaning, all while being smart enough to adapt to your home's unique layout. Overall, the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is one of the smartest, most powerful cleaning robots on the market right now. It offers deep cleaning, advanced navigation, and hands-free convenience that makes home cleaning effortless. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning routine and reclaim your time, this is the vacuum to beat. Check it out for yourself. The link's down below, and don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more home tech reviews, and tell me in the comments what smart home gadget you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.